Hi, I'm Amy Golay. I live in Garden City, Kansas. I'm a first grade teacher and I'm entering my 5th year of teaching come August. I plan to graduate with my master's in instructional technology in December 2019. So I only have one more semester to go, which I'm really pumped about. My experience with web-based instruction would be quite a bit, I feel, with me instructing. We have one-to-one devices in my classroom, so I use online instruction as much as I can without foregoing the importance of fine motor skills when needed. I think that part's really important for me to stress with my first graders' parents for developmental needs. For personal experience with web-based instruction would be really just going through college, the instruction I receive through these online courses, through my experience with this degree I'm pursuing. Other than that, I really, before this, I was really not a huge fan of online courses, if I'm going to be honest, just because I don't have that self-discipline like I wish I did, instead of just going to classes physically, and instead of just like sitting down on a computer and doing my work. So, some goals I have for my professional career is to learn more ways to integrate technology and web-based learning more efficiently and more engaging, but also bringing in more kinesthetic teaching along with my web-based learning. I'm more of a hands-on learner, and so I want to integrate more of that into my classroom, especially for first grade. I think that's really important, and I strive to always be looking for something new in that area, but sometimes I'm not always the best with that. Some tips and tricks. I am a planner to a T. I have to have everything written out on calendars. I think I have about 3 different calendars. I have one in my kitchen, I have one in my purse, and I have one in my teaching bag. And then I also have my technology one on my phone. So my fiance laughs at me because I have to have everything planned out, but that is me, planned out and color coded, and to-do lists so I can check it off. That is all me. Definitely a procrastinator. Huge planner, even bigger procrastinator, but I will get it done. So those are my tips and tricks. I also like to have a goal of not procrastinating as much, and not only when it comes to my studies with this degree and my coursework, but also in my professional career with lesson planning and creating those activities for my students. I look forward to hearing from all of you. So far, I have learned so much from my classmates, and I have truly, really enjoyed the collaboration aspect of all the classes, and have taken a ton of notes and tips and tricks from all of my classmates. So I look forward to hearing what you all have to share, and yeah, just having some fun. Thanks.